ayemanye chigosoli omugoroborero twechake kurwa segeti gose asorongorwa gusi abwase kiombe gya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association gyaereire ogwesanika kwabona mariganio ye county ya Kisii gochikwaligania ensemo ya regionals usinyanza regional sports ye kiombe kyo gya Kesa magayo gotalira ebiti au ngamo negeti gya Kisii School egeti gya Cardinal Tungamo Socho naboigo egeti gya Gusii Stadium nigo ababwatanya bo bairairo gwisano kukunga orogongo rwa Gusii gose county ya Kisii yariganirie bwikirano bosio bwamamerania ayo muri kito captain 001 Demo Steven na ikasense yona gutariganiria horobotero kugwatia
ababwatani korwa kiombe gya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association korwa sorwango rwa Nyanza nigo baro tutegetie kemogo ikekende egeti gya Kisii School Cardinal Otungamo Socho amonegeti kya Gusii Stadium bosiwe chigosoli cha secondary astegeti kya Gusii Stadium niga bwatani abo bakere koko amonchori abeira segeti kya Gusii Stadium korwa entunda ya mweri barenga segeti ekyo asebakere koko serikali ye county ya Kisii insemo governor Paul Simbarati asoko ene kyabuna amonchiri aganira segeti kya Gusii Stadium na agenderete.
Na ripoti yetu kwa upesi ni kwamba the preparation is okay, the fields are good. Hata hii hapa Kisii Stadium tunaona inaenda vizuri. Tuna imani na local organizing committee kwamba by the time tunacheza kiwanja itakuwa safi. Otherwise tumeona viwanja ni mzuri, tumefurahia. Tunaomba tu tujitayarishe vizuri ili tukue na michezo ambazo zitakuwa za furaha.
We have put a lot of energy in ensuring that this pitch is one that is going to be used, especially in addressing the finals. I hope you don't have an option for finals except the pitch where we are, and that's where we are putting on day and night. The people who work here in shifts at night, if you could come here, you could see water spraying on. That is why here it's still damp.
Serikali ye county ya Kisii nigo yatebire buna nebwatirana amone kiombe gya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association kwene kyabuna chigosoli kirabase county ya Kisii ase kerengo kya Nyanza region amona national sase kerengo gya secondary inchibe chyobo twero rasabatere namba ine kibuno morembe no base county ya Kisii.
But I want to say that as a county we are prepared. The governor gave his undertaking that he will make the pitch available, and we are aware we have young boys, the Gen Zs in secondary school, and sometimes tempers may go high, as the SecGen has said. So this, we will make arrangement with the Kenya Police and the commander to even provide more security. But I could pray and wish that one of the pools which you are marking to be in either Kisii School and in Cardinal is made here. If you feel that the pitch is, it will help in acclimatizing the young lads to the pitch to be used in the finals. But having said that, you are always welcome to Kisii, and we are hoping that with the time you will see more fruits with this leadership, His Excellency Paul Simbarati.
We thank the county government for what they are doing. They have really tried. We saw this stadia 2 months ago, and right now I want to say it is wonderful. They are doing a great job. And I also want to say and thank the office that if given an opportunity, we would wish to use this stadia in a proper way. We need a lot of security in secondary school games, and we believe that this is one of the places we can be able to get the security.
Ekiombe gya Kenya Secondary School Sports Association mbabwato barembu na chitie muchira sorogongo rwa Nyanza kinyare ko bachikogosori bya kerengo kya regionals na chirichira agenda sensemo ya nationals nchive chigoreto bwamiriryo bonene ekerenge ekyo.
As for now, we are preparing for the regional championship, and we believe that things are going to be well. The teams are prepared from the counties, and I know everybody is prepared and they would want to watch and see who is now taking us up to the nationals. We are preparing very good teams for this time, and we believe that we are going to have the national trophy remaining in Nyanza.
Chigosoli chekerengo kya Nyanza regional singo chirabase county ya Kisii kuruchitaliki kianda kuika 13 chyomotie nyoyo abwasendeze TVMS chigosoli turane kibuna ntugo bwateli chigosoli echi na gukwenekeria lyonse aragandere asebeti byonse bitatu ko reporteria Ndizi TV veteran Demo Steven captain 001.